Hey y'all, Yvebelize, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you find value in the video and subscribe. I'm doing a wash and go today. I think I'm on week 4 with no butters, no oils, and just a gel. I'm gonna be going in with my Art Naturals Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. These are totally vegan, and I am loving this shampoo because it has that minty, tingly feel to it. Yeah, I don't usually wear my hair up in a puff, but I've been working out. When I tell you, during the week, I'm sweating a lot in my hair. So my hair is a week old, and I had a braid out and just swooped it up after a couple days. I'm gonna go in today with the Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coils Flaxseed Gel. It says it's rich in omega fatty acids and it promotes hair health from inside out and helps to prevent dryness and flaking. It smells really good. So all I'm going to be using today is the gel and my water. It has a nice consistency and I've never used this before. I bought it at Target's for like $6.99. It feels as though it's gonna hold my hair. What would be interesting is to see if my hair has that sticky, tacky feel to it. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. I tell you, so far this is feeling really good. I noticed that it's making my hair looks really big already, but it's very light and I don't feel any tackiness. It says that it elongates the curls, but you can truly see that when the hair is dry. I don't want to get too excited, but so far so good, and my curls are super defined. Do you see this? Let me say this. This gel is giving me my favorite gel vibes. It doesn't feel heavy. My hair feels light and it looks like it is elongated. It's not shrunken so much, but I can't really tell that until I actually sit under the dryer. I'm gonna make sure that I dry this hair and let you see what it looks like after I dry it so I can see if it's tacky or if I'm getting, you know, the sticky vibes. And I'm gonna stretch this bad boy because I want to see. I don't want to get too excited, but I am screaming on the inside because this gel actually works like it feels like it is going to work. It's gonna be a part of my favorite. Trust me when I tell you. When I say these curls are super defined, they're looking so juicy. I have a sheen to my hair already. It already looks shiny. We're gonna go give it a dry. See juiciness? Look at juiciness. My gosh, these curls are popping. Come through. Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. What? Hey! Also, I want you to see I didn't use a lot of it. A little of it went a long way. It's 15 ounces for $6.99. Not bad at all. So when I tell you my hair dried very well, I don't have no sticky residue, and it seems like it's very full. I feel like I have more volume than when I use my favorite gel. My curls are super fine. So far so good. I am gonna go stretch it. When I tell you, do you see what's going on here? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Can you tell? Look at my hair. Oh my gosh. Do you see all of this prettiness going on? I've been doing this thing for 5 years and my extreme gel has been my baby. We all know this. She hasn't had any competition until now. When I tell you, this Aunt Jackie's gel is the truth. She's gonna be a staple in my stash. Do you hear me? I am so pleased with my hair. Even after I stretched my hair, do you see the definition of these curls? They are still popping even after I stretch them with the dryer. Look at this. So pretty. And the shine that I have in my hair, oh my gosh, from the flaxseed. This is beautiful. One of my best wash and goes ever. My hair feels really soft. It has a hole, but you can't even tell. There's no flaking, okay? It is so beautiful. I don't know what else to say. I'm blown away. I was not expecting this. Do whatever pleases you on this natural hair journey. Your hair, when you know your hair, make time for your hair. Stop saying, I ain't got time, baby. The only way you're gonna learn how to know when stuff is working in your hair is when you know your hair and know, oh, this doesn't feel right, it's not gonna turn out right. The moment I put something in my hair from the very beginning, I can usually tell whether it's gonna be flop or we gonna do well. The minute I put this gel in, I was getting excited and I'm like, don't wait, let's see. But I feel like I could sit here and just rant about this gel. Do you see what's going on? Do you see what's going on? Do you see the definition? Hi, girl. Anyhow, I can't keep you guys much longer. And it's so fluffy. It's flowy. Oh my gosh. I found a new love, y'all. She is I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this gel, and we will see you in the next video.